In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Describe feature here in Midjourney. Now, this is great because we can upload any image, we can get it to describe it, and it's going to give us a prompt which could potentially create a similar design. Now, to use this feature, all we have to do is come down here and do /describe, and it's going to be this just here. If we click on there, we can now upload the image that we want Midjourney to describe. So I have this image just here. We're going to upload that there. It's actually one of my colouring pages that I created here in Midjourney, and then we're just going to click enter. Now what this is going to do is give us 4 variations for prompts for this image. And there we go. So we have the first prompt, the second prompt, the third and the fourth. Now if we want to use these, all we have to do is choose the prompt up here associated with that number. So if we want to do number 1, we can simply click on number 1, 2, 3 and 4 as well. So let's go with number 4 just here. So we're going to click on there. It's going to show us the prompt just here. I am going to change these aspect ratios as well. So let's just change that. Let's take out that bit. And now let's click submit to see how similar this prompt is to the original image. Now we can see that it's not actually that close to the original, but it's grasped the idea. So what we can do is again use this prompt just here, and we can adapt it and add other keywords. Now again, this is going to work for any image. So let's come over to the Midjourney gallery just here. Let's download this image just here and come back over to Discord, type in /describe. We're going to choose that. We're going to take the image, we're going to drag that in, and we're going to click enter. And there we go. We now have 4 prompts describing this image. So let's just go ahead with this first one. This is a square image, so we're not going to add any parameters. So we're just going to click 1. We're going to take a quick look at that prompt. Looks good. And then we're going to click submit. Now, let's just give this a second, and there we go. We've now got 4 variations of this original image, and again, we can see that it is very similar. So that's just how easy it is to use the Describe feature here in Midjourney. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.